Hello, this is journal number 2. For this week, I watched videos from Jason Love's YouTube channel. The child that I observed in the video is on the autism spectrum disorder. At the time that this video was made, he was 4.5 years old. The father of the child is the one that explains the difficulties that the child faces due to the autism. In this video, the child and the father went to the zoo with the child's preschool class. I had the opportunity to observe that Everett had difficulty communicating with his father. He lacked the words to express himself. There was a playground at the zoo, and while the other children were playing together and having conversations, Everett was playing by himself. He did not at any time interact with his peers. While the other children were looking at the animals and riding a train in the zoo, Everett was at the stairs going up and down for a long period of time. The father said that this is a normal behavior for the child. He is showing characteristics of repetitive behaviors. Another thing that he has become obsessed with are car wash and apples. He is demonstrating unusual interest in objects from his typical peers. The father also commented that Everett does not have aggressive behavior towards self or others. He does have meltdowns when he does not want to participate in activities or when he wants to obtain something. I was able to observe this behavior when the dad told him that it was time to leave. The child wanted to continue going up and down the stairs. He became upset and started crying when the dad removed him from the stairs. After the observation and from information provided by the father, I can identify some of the autism characteristics that I was able to observe in Everett. Number 1, he has communication difficulties. He does not know how to express himself or start a conversation, and he has trouble with pronunciation. Number 2, he has trouble in social skills. I was able to see that while the other students were playing together, he chose to play by himself. Number 3, he has obsessive behavior with unusual objects. Number 4 are the meltdowns. For the functional behavior assessment, I will focus on the obsessive and repetitive behaviors and the meltdowns which from what I have read, that means that he has difficulties with transitioning from one place to another.